Dear students, in this video, we're going to learn exercise number 7 of lesson number 2. Exercise number 7 of lesson number 2. Compléter avec un adjectif possessive. Complete with a possessive adjective. Now let's go and find out, let's do some revision and find out what are the possessive adjectives in French. In English, my. But in French, if the noun is a masculine singular noun, your my will be MON. If the noun is a feminine singular noun, your my is going to be MA. And if the noun is in the plural form, your my is going to be MES. Same way, your familiar form or without respect form, it is ton, ta, te. His or her, son, sa, se. Notre, our is notre, no. Your, with respect, it is your, votre, vos. And their, leur, with an S at the end. So keeping this rule in mind or this table in mind, let's try to do these 5 sentences. Number 1. Je raconte le conte de fée Cendrillon à dash niece. I'm narrating the fairy tale Cinderella to dash niece. Since the subject is I, it's good that we write to my niece. So when the subject is je, you should put mon or ma or me. But here you see the noun after the dash is nièce. It ends with an E. The translation is niece. It's a feminine singular noun. So which my you will put? It is a feminine singular noun. So the my will be M-A. Je raconte le conte de fée Cendrillon à ma nièce. Number 2. Le professeur pose des questions à dash élèves. The teacher is asking some questions to dash students, to dash pupils. So the subject noun is the teacher. It is something like third person masculine singular. He is asking some questions to whose students? His students. So what is his? It can be SON or SA or SES, but after the dash the noun is in the plural form. So which one will you use? Son or sa or se? You will use SES because the noun is in the plural form. I hope why we have chosen ma, because the subject is je. So we need to take this row, any one from this row. But why we have chosen NA? Because the noun after the dash, it's a feminine singular noun. So we know why we have chosen this row and which column why we are choosing. We need to know. Say his pupils. Why his? Because in the subject you're talking about third person masculine singular, the teacher. He is asking some questions to his pupils. So why we have chosen SES as his? It can be SON or SA or SEA, but why we have chosen SES? Because after the dash the noun élève is in the plural form. Ma voisin est coiffeuse dash Marie est fleuriste. My neighbor is a hairdresser dash husband is a florist. So you're talking about my neighbor. Neighbor ends with an E. Voisine, it's a feminine neighbor. So she is a hairdresser and her husband is a florist. So Marie is a masculine singular noun. So which her you will put? SON is also her, SA is also her, SES is also her. But we need to choose SON. Why? Because after the dash The noun Marie is a masculine singular noun. Number 4. J'aime beaucoup voyager avec dash père. I like to travel a lot with dash father. I like to travel a lot with my father. Why we are saying my? Because in the subject we are using the subject pronoun I. I am traveling with my father. So which mine? You should never think père ends with an E. It's a feminine noun. No, the translation is father. It might end with an E, but the translation is father, so it's a masculine singular noun. So when the subject is I, we need to take my. So which mine? Père is a masculine singular noun, so we need to use MO. Mon père. J'aime beaucoup voyager avec mon père. The fifth sentence. Tu gardes dash livre dans ton cartable. You keep your books safely in your bag. So then now the subject pronoun is tu. You without respect. So we need to use either ton or ta or te. Why we have chosen this column, this row, ton ta te? Because the subject pronoun is tu. So for tu, we can either put ton or ta or te. But which one is the right thing here? Livre, after the dash, the noun livre, it's in the plural form. So we need to put tes as our possessive adjective. Tu gardes tes livres dans ton cartable. I hope you've understood the possessive adjectives. The tables are here. Please go through it. I'm sure you'll be able to understand if you go through this video one more time. This exercise number 7 of lesson 2 will be very easy. Thank you.